Today I'm going to teach you how to create workgroups in Bitrix24. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing team projects, managing specific departments, or creating dedicated spaces for collaboration within your organization. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to bitrix24.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your Bitrix24 account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need them to access your workspace. After successfully logging in, take a look at the left menu bar on your screen. Here you'll find various icons representing different features of Bitrix24. Click on the Workgroups icon. This will take you to the main Workgroups page where you can view existing groups and create new ones. Now at the top of the page, you'll see a button that says Plus Create Group. Go ahead and click on this button. This is where you'll begin setting up your new workgroup. The system will guide you through several configuration steps to ensure your workgroup is set up exactly how you need it. The first thing you'll need to decide is the type. You'll see two role options, workgroup or project. The difference is that workgroups are typically ongoing teams, while projects are usually time-bound initiatives with specific goals. Choose the option that best fits your needs, then click Next to proceed. Next up, you'll be prompted to type a name for your workgroup or project. Choose something descriptive and easily recognizable by your team members. This name will appear throughout Bitrix24, wherever this group is referenced. Once you've entered the name, click Next to continue. Now comes an important decision about privacy settings. You'll need to set whether your workgroup is private, public, or hidden. Private groups are only visible to members. Public groups can be seen by everyone in your organization, and hidden groups are completely invisible to non-members. Select the privacy level that makes sense for your group's purpose, then click Next. After setting the privacy level, you'll reach the member invitation screen. Here you can search for and add members by typing their names in the Invite to Group field. As you type, Bitrix24 will suggest matching names from your organization's directory, making it easy to find the right people. You also have the option to set project moderators at this stage. Moderators have additional permissions within the group, such as managing content and member activities. If you want certain team members to have these elevated permissions, designate them as moderators now. Finally, you can continue adding employees to ensure everyone who needs access is included from the start. Once you're satisfied with your member list, click Next to complete the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully created a workgroup in Bitrix24, complete with the right privacy settings, members, and moderators. Your team now has a dedicated space to collaborate and manage their work together. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.